This is Jeff Stunkert here at Mecum Indy, and we are looking at what I think is one of the coolest cars being offered this weekend, even though it's not a Hemi. This is a spring of 1970 Charger 500 with the 383 HP engine package in it. Now someone's put the hood down. Now, I'm not going to try to open it, just in case they've got it closed on purpose. But anyway, the motor is the 383 HP 335 so-called Roadrunner motor. It's the 383 Magnum 4-barrel, which was the biggest motor you could get in Charger without going to an RT. But this one is a white interior with a 4-speed, bucket seats. It's a spring FM3 factory pink. Factory Panther pink car, and just like it said, in-dash clock. That was part of the Charger 500 option for 1970. 500 was no longer the NASCAR homologation package, but it was actually the trim package they used to be able to get bucket seats, upper door, the door uppers here. That was part of the Charger 500 package. And we got 500 loaded. No vinyl top on this car. A little surprising with a white interior. It was also a Canadian import car. So again, it's a Y07. Crosstown Motor City was the originating dealership. And there's the Charger 500 information. They might go wing on the back. But beautiful restoration. And again, I think that the white interior, big motor, pistol grip, Canadian origins. This makes this a pretty special car. We'll see what it does. But I think it'll have legs underneath it. It's got to be almost 1-on-1. Odometer reached 35,000 miles. And it does have an 836 high-performance axle package, which was the 8 3/4, since the 383 did not require a Dana installation. So, if you like them hot and pink, and you're looking for a Charger, I mean, this is a pretty class act here, so should do pretty well. This is S214 going over the block on Saturday evening, part of the Level 1 collection here at Mecum Indy.